everybody, welcome back. My name's Sarah and today we are doing another Aldi grocery haul. This haul is going to be focused a little bit more on Mediterranean style diet. We're not like jumping in full force, but we did find like a handful of recipes that we are going to start incorporating into our diet. I felt like that just would make it not as overwhelming. We are going to go shopping and I just figured I would take y'all along in case we do happen to see anything exciting and new and interesting. Once I get back to the house, I'll go over everything that I picked up, including the prices and the total with you. I wanted to share with you guys too, for anybody that's on the keto diet, I've noticed a lot of keto friendly snacks at Aldi now. Alright, so I am back at the house, so now I'm going to go over everything that I picked up with all the prices, including the total with you. I got the spring mix salad for $3.59. I picked up 2 boxes of shells for 89 cents each and the lower sodium taco seasoning for 29 cents. And then a half gallon of milk for 83 cents, a 2-pack of paper towels for $1.99, some disinfectant wipes for $2.99. I also got some paper plates. It's a 45-pack for $1.65. I got 2 things of chicken broth for $1.09 each. I picked up this big bag of kale for $2.99. I also grabbed a bag of spinach for $1.19. And then I was really excited about these pitas, the pita bread. It's whole wheat. There's 5 in each pack. They were $1.89 each, so I went ahead and grabbed 2 of those. I also got a loaf of Italian bread for $2.15. I thought that would be good with maybe some of the pasta dinners that we might be trying. And then for Reese, to go with her breakfast, I got these raisin cinnamon bread. It was $1.79. I also picked up some extra virgin olive oil. This was $3.89. Some balsamic vinegar. This was $1.95. I got some of the Greek olives, $1.99. I picked up some oil and vinegar dressing in case if there's a day where we just don't want to have to mix it up. It's already pre-made for us. I got 2 bags of these little Dutch yellow potatoes. There's a recipe that I'm wanting to try with these, so I went ahead and got 2 bags. And then I also picked up some Mandarin Oranges, and these were $2.49. I got a bag of lemons. It's a pretty big bag there. It was only $2.75. I picked up 3 cucumbers. I'll be making cucumber salad. Those were 59 cents each. I got 2 bags of baby carrots for 79 cents each. And tzatziki sauce. Now you can make this easily on your own, but I just thought it'd be easier just to pick one up already made. Aldi's is really good, so I went ahead and grabbed one of these. I also got some feta cheese for $2.19. I got some mild salsa. This isn't technically Mediterranean, but it just looked good. I got some bananas. It was $1.77 for all of those. I got some onions for $1.69, 3 green bell peppers for $1.39. They didn't have these in whole wheat, but I went ahead and got these different types of noodles for the recipes that we're going to be trying. These were pretty cheap. It was only 69 cents for each of these. I got 2 bags of chicken breasts. Hopefully that'll last us a little bit. And then I also picked up a bag of chicken thighs. There's some recipes that call for the chicken thighs, so we're going to try that. And then I had to pick up some turkey kielbasa in case if one night we just need to do those for dinner. And I showed y'all in my last haul these risottos that we love. They're super easy and good to add to any meal. I also picked up 2 things of cheese. I got Swiss and Colby. I got some Colby Jack shredded cheese. And then I also got 2 things of olives for 69 cents each. And I got a thing of prunes. This was $2.35. And I picked up some just regular salsa. I already have some corn chips, so I got that. And some creamer for me. The coconut creamer sounded really good, so I grabbed that. And I thought to go in some yogurts. I picked up these different types of granolas. Now this one's just the regular like oat, honey, and almond. But I also got this chocolate banana one that sounded amazing. So we're going to try that. I picked up some whole milk Greek yogurt. Now there are some recipes that call for this, as well as we can just snack on it alone with the granola. I thought that would be yummy. I got these Veggie Munchers for Reese, $1.39 each. Then I got the little rice rusks that I always get whenever I go if I can, and the little yogurt bites. I got strawberry and mixed berry. And then of course I got tons of these little snack pouches. These are all only 75 cents each, and Reese loves these. I also got a bag of little chicken nuggets for $2.89, some sandwich ham for $2.49, and then the ground turkey that I love to pick up every time I go because it's such a good value. It's $1.89. I got some black beans. I picked up 4 cans of black beans, and then I also picked up some diced tomatoes, and I like this one because it has the basil, garlic, and oregano seasoning in it, which is super yummy. That is it for today's grocery haul. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and then subscribe if you're new, and leave me a comment and say hello. And if any of y'all are curious or want to know more about some of these recipes that Peter and I will be trying out, definitely let me know in the comments down below, and I'm sure that I could put some sort of recipe video together for you guys. So definitely let me know. I would love to hear from you, and I will see y'all next time. Bye!